Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve exponential equation where we have to find integer solutions of x. So let's start. So first of all we have to find the domain of this equation. So domain of this equation is x squared minus 2x cannot be equal to 0. So therefore here I factor as x times x minus 2 cannot be equal to 0. So if you look at the number line, so here 0 and here 2 and all empty circles. Why? Because x cannot take 0 and 2. So therefore x will take all values first between minus infinity up to 0 and from 0 up to 2 and from 2 up to plus infinity. So here x belongs to then from minus infinity up to 0 and 0 up to 2 and 2 up to plus infinity. So this is our domain. So now let's start to solve our equation. So to solve this equation we have to consider three cases. So the first case is case 1 is, so let me rewrite the left hand side of this equation as it is, x squared minus 2x to the power of x squared plus x minus 6 is equal to, so now I can express 1 as x squared minus 2x to the power of 0. So we see that bases are the same, therefore we can equate exponents. X squared plus x minus 6 is equal to 0, and here it's easy to solve this quadratic equation using discriminant. X1 and 2 is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 24 divided by 2, and this one is equal to minus 1 plus minus, from square root of 25 we'll get 5 divided by 2. So we have two solutions. So x1 is equal to 2 and x2 is equal to minus 3, but we cannot take as an answer 2 because 2 is not in this intervals. So therefore the first solution of this equation is minus 3. So now let's consider case 2. So case 2 is, let me rewrite again the left hand side of this equation as it is, x squared minus 2x to the power of x squared plus x minus 6 is equal to, now I can express 1 as 1 to the power of x squared plus x minus 6. So now here exponents are the same, therefore we can equate bases. So to get this equation, x squared minus 2x is equal to 1. So again this is the quadratic equation. If you move 1 to the left hand side, x squared minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, and if you solve this, x1 and 2 is equal to 2 plus minus 4 plus 4 divided by 2, and this one is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 8 divided by 2. And we see that this is not integer, so therefore we cannot take as an answer. So now let's consider the last case, case number 3, and let me rewrite the left hand side as it is, x squared minus 2x to the power of x squared plus x minus 6 is equal to, now let's suggest that x squared plus x minus 6 is even number, even. So therefore I can express the right hand side minus 1 to the power of x squared plus x minus 6. So now again exponents are the same, we can equate bases. So therefore we will get x squared minus 2x minus 1. So here if you move minus 1 to the left hand side, then I'll get x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, and this is the perfect square, x minus 1 square is equal to 0. So therefore we'll get x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So let's check it now, putting into x into this expression 1 and 1 square plus 1 minus 6, and we see that this one is equal to minus 4. And if we check this answer for this equation, we'll get, so let me rewrite our equation here x squared minus 2x to the power of x squared plus x minus 6 is equal to minus 1 to the power of x squared plus x minus 6. So if we substitute into x this 1, therefore we see that here we will get minus 1, and to the power of minus 4 is equal to minus 1 to the power of minus 4, right? And this one is, since exponents are negative, therefore 1 divided by minus 1 to the power of 4 is equal to 1 divided by minus 1 to the power of 4, and this one is equal to 1 is equal to 1. So we can conclude the second solution of our equation is x is equal to 1. So therefore, if you finalize, then we'll have two set of solutions, x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to minus 3. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment to my YouTube channel.